In today's video, I'm gonna unbox a box from Heat Transfer Warehouse. It's like a lot of transfer they sent me. So if you guys want to see what's in that box, what you gotta do, you gotta stick around. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie, and in today's video, like I said, I'm gonna unbox a box from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Yes, I think it's safe for me to say that we're partners. So you know what that mean? That mean I have a link down below, so if you guys need transfer, go hit them up. But before we get into this video, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and after the video, I want you to smash that like button for me. And remember, by you smashing that like button for me, it helped my video out a great deal. Not just a deal, a great deal. It helped my video out. Share this video, drop me a comment downstairs, down below. I have a lot of goodies. I have Amazon link, and now I'm partnered with Heat Transfer Warehouse. So if you look down there, you see all these links that will tell you what camera I use, vinyl, and so on and so on. By you clicking on the link and you shop at Heat Transfer Warehouse, trust me, you will love their service. Fast shipping, good customer service. You will love it. And you get all your Cedars vinyl. They even got that special vinyl that's about to release by Cedar Easy Weed. The sparkles. The Cedar Sparkle. They're gonna have that vinyl in stock whenever it released. It will be on their website for immediately order. So remember, by you ordering from them, it gives me a small percentage, a small commission, from Amazon and from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Order from them so I can get my small commission. It's gonna make the cats outside, the dogs outside, my wife happy, and me happy, so I could continue making videos for you guys. Okay? Let's stop talking and let's get into the unboxing. Let's roll into the video. So check this out. Look at that. It said, so they have the largest in stock selection of HTV. Yep. Use my link. Okay, so let's open this bad boy. You guys ready? Let's do this. Oh. Oh. Okay. What do we have here? Oh. This is instruction they sent me of how to use their vinyl wallet cut. So they send inside there, they have the wallet cut express, wallet cut puff, decor film soft, and cedar spark. Look at this. Look at this. Can you guys see that? Wait, this is in the box? Wow. I get to test it out first. That's right. And I assume these are, these are transfer. these are transfer from Super Color, and I'm gonna do a separate video because the first one I did, it wasn't such a great experience. So they sent me a lot of different transfer for Super Color. So I'm gonna redo it, and we're gonna test them because the last video I did with them, you know, it was my mistake, mine and my heat press. So I'm gonna give them a second chance and we're gonna redo this video. So that's for Super Color. Look at this. See that? These are all from Super Color. Ooh, liking this one, huh? So I'm gonna redo a video and all on these to show you guys. And we also gonna do a wash test again, okay? Because the first time I didn't do such a great job, so I'm gonna redo it to give them the benefit of the doubt. Oh, they also send me t-shirt to test them on. Oh, district, nice. Oh, I got all these. So I have different, yes. Are they my size? Okay, good. So they sent me 4 t-shirts. Believe that I'm gonna be using them to test it on. Heat transfer warehouse. Thank you. And guys, look at this. Look at all these samples that they send me for me to do. Let's get this box out of the way. Wow. I'll tell you what this is. It set it on it. That's their decor film. This one. This one is beautiful. It's a beauty. Isn't it? We'll worry about that later. Alright. So they carry this on their website. And this. This is the same thing. Okay, so that's what that is. Oh yeah, pour it out, baby. Pour it out. Pour it out. Yes. So these are everything I'm gonna test, but I'm not gonna do all that testing today. I just wanted to unbox it so you guys could see. And this is the Rakuten Express, and this is Heat Transfer Warehouse. This is their vinyl, so I'm super excited to try their vinyl because I want to see how well it hold up. And you guys know me, I'm gonna do a wash test on it to see. So that's their vinyl, and this is their puff vinyl. This is also Heat Transfer Warehouse. This is their puff. I don't know, is it focusing? Focus, okay. No? No focus? Okay, so this is also their Rakuten puff yellow. So I'm super excited about this. And this is their Rakuten Express. This is their bright red. Super duper excited about it. Can you guys see it? And more closer, it won't focus. Focus, please, baby. Anyway, so super excited about that too. And this is the legend. This is the Cedar Sparkle Blue Jeans. So I'm super duper excited to test this out. Okay, and I'm gonna put these bad boy to the wash test. I'm excited about that. And this one is the same thing, but this is the sunset orange. Super excited. Look how beautiful that color is. I don't know if you guys could see it on camera, but it's sparkling. You guys got to get these, man. You guys got to go get it. And this is the Rakuten puff gray. So this is the gray. So I'm super excited to see what these gonna look like, but it's gonna take time. And look, they send me t-shirts. Let's get everything on here. And this super, this, you know what? Let me show you guys what's in it. So you guys see, these are transfer, and they're from Super Color. I don't know if you guys could see it. So I'm super excited to retest these bad boys over. What's in this one? What's in this one? Is this something special? Okay, this is just instruction, I guess. All right. So all from Heat Transfer Warehouse. So in a separate video, we're gonna test these bad boys. Okay, that box is amazing what's in it. I wasn't expecting all those goodies to be in there, but let me tell you guys something. Each vinyl gonna need their separate video. Like the Cedar Sparkle, they has to be in a separate video because I need to print it up on the shirt and I need to wash test it to make sure, you know, this bad boy hangs on to the shirt. So it needs its own video, just like the Waller Cut. The Waller Cut, it needs its own video, so I could also do a wash test on it. I remember the Waller Cut is Heat Transfer Warehouse. This is their name brand. This is their vinyl. So this is it. So this one is more valuable at this point than any other, because since this is their vinyl, I need to test this bad boy out. So it needs its own separate video. So is their Waller Cut Puff. See, I have two different colors, so they need their own video. So I'm gonna test them in their own video to see what this bad boy looks like. And it said puff, so I'm expecting puff. Also that needs their own video is the cheater. This is their decor film, soft metallic rainbow. Okay, this is their rainbow, and this one looks pretty. I love it. I love the way it looks, because I do have customers who order something like this, but I never, you know, I always turn the order down. And then this, so they need their own separate video. But hold on a second, let me just take you over to their website now. I want to let everyone know right this moment, the Cedar Sparkle is available on Heat Transfer Warehouse to purchase right now. Let me show you where it's at. You come up to category, go over to glitter vinyls, and just click all. You know, make your life easy. Then you come down here, right here, and here it is. It's available right now that you can order it. You could go to their website and order it. You could order a sheet. You could order 1 yard, 5 yard, 10, 25, whatever you want, but it's available right this minute on their website. So guys, go over there, use my link down below, and go over there and check it out. Look at all the option they have. Thermoflex, you know that has to be another good one because it got flex in it. And this is Heat Transfer Warehouse vinyl. The Waller Cut Express, look at all that, is available right now. And if you need equipment, I suggest the Hotronic press. This is all the Hotronic press. It's an excellent machine. Heats all the way around, not half, the whole plate is heated up. So if you're a beginner, I will suggest don't go cheap on a press. Leave those Amazon and eBay presses alone. get yourself a 16 by 16, or if you're planning to do large print, I say get yourself that 16 by 20. The 16 by 16, if you're gonna do, you know, not big print. 16 by 20 if you're planning to do big print, like large print on the shirt. I say go 16 by 16. Do it now. Don't go small and then you're planning to upgrade later. It's just gonna cost you more money. It's just like buying a second machine when you could just do it all at once. Now you could get printables, you could get sublimation, you could get rhinestone, you could get custom transfer, you could get blanks, you could get sign making, and it's endless on this website. So use my link and head over there and check them out, and they have free shipping on $165. $165. Okay, so head over there, use my link down below. I appreciate it. Okay, so you see how easy it is to just navigate their site. They have everything perfectly laid out for you guys, so it's very easy. And also needs its own video is the super color. I gotta redeem myself. I gotta redo this video because the first time I didn't have a good experience, and I blame it on me. That's my fault. Okay, I think it is my fault. But anyway, you know, like anyone new with transfer, they testing out a new transfer, they're so excited, you know, mistake happens. So I have to redeem myself. So I have a bunch of samples and then it needs its own video, so I'm gonna do a video on it. So look out for all those videos. I'm gonna make sure I get on it. I'm not gonna wait too long, you know. I'm gonna get on making these videos for you guys, and I'm gonna wash test all of them just for you guys. Okay, now if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and now that the video over, I want you to smash that like button for me, share this video, drop me a comment. I don't care if you say hello, I don't care if you said okay, I don't care. I just want you to say something positive about the channel. I don't care if you leave me a tips on how to make the video better, or how to, if I made a mistake on the transfer, as long as it's positive. Leave me something positive. Help me get through my day. Okay? So, and down below, don't forget, I'm a partner with Heat Transfer Warehouse. So down below is the link where I will get that small commission, and a lot of Amazon links are also down there. Give me my little, just a small commission. You know, I got to keep the wife and the dogs, cats outside happy, and everybody got to be happy. All right, so I'm sorry, the boy got to go now. I'm gonna go work on these transfer and the heat transfer vinyl. So anyway, thank you again, and as always, your boy loves you, but this is the end. I'm out.